Yo, what's up guys? Today I'm here playing Slide in the Woods. So it's just how to slide in the woods, right? So yeah, I was slide in the woods. There's a slide in the woods. So yippee me, little child. Um oh look, I did stripper pole, stripper pole. Stripper what the oh so how is there gravity here? Yo, okay. Stripper pole, okay now. Um okay, so let's just slide in the woods. Oh my god, I am stomping hard. Okay, let's go. Yay! Whippy! Oh, that was fun. Let's do it again. Wait, I can leave further. Oh yeah, I can. Oh no, I can't, bro. Okay. Um, let's slide again. Yeah, cause apparently I cannot leave. I thought. Okay, hold up. Yeah! Oh, wait, it got darker. What the fuck? Oh. Okay. Yeah, I can leave, right? Like, yeah. Oh no, I can't. I can't leave then. What? Sliding one more time won't hurt, right? So I can go another. It just got darker as fuck. Okay. I can't see shit right now. I can't. Ah, bitch! Who is running? Oh, that gave me a heart attack. Oh my god, hold on. Ah, uh, oh wow, a flashlight. A lost flashlight. Luckily, you still have some battery left. Yeah, luckily it does. Um. Oh yeah. Um. Baba, Papa, I can. Oh shit, no, I cannot leave. I cannot leave. Okay. Um. Let's go to the slides again. I mean, at this point, I think I'm a grown ass man that just wants to play slides. So. Yippee! Nothing changed. Oh. Let's check that out then. No, nothing weird, right? What is this? Oh, okay. Let us read. Small town tragedy. Small town in the morning is as mass missing persons case as at local park continues to go unsolved. Reports say both children and adults are missing. What? And detective working on the case sheds light on its peculiarity of stating it's as if they disappear into thin air. He asks that if anyone has any information pertaining to the case of anyone spots one of the victims, to please contact law enforcement immediately. Old newspaper. This is an old newspaper, by the way. Okay. Um. All right, let's go. Yay! What? Oh. Oh no, I can't. I thought I could. No, I thought I could. No, it just takes me back. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Nothing out of the ordinary yet. But I still want to play the slides. Let's go. Yippee. All right. Yeah, nothing bad. Yeah, I'm just so scared about the steps that I heard. This shit. I really love playing the slides. Nah. Oh, what the fuck? Oh, no. Oh. Hey, Caterpillar Man. Yeah, cause of course you're not a normal person like me. You're a caterpillar. In my imagination, I think this is what a kid will think. Oh. I was like, oh, Caterpillar Man, what is going on? Nah, what the oh, she's, no, don't scare me like that, yo. Nah, the slides, I think they got even funner now. You mean? Oh, wait, it's supposed to get. Ah. Oh shit! Oh, this is. This. Where the fuck am I? No. Oh no, the lights went off. No. Oh, they got off. 2 holes. I just. Oh. Ah, these slides are fun now. Crawl meter. Oh, what the fuck? What does that mean? Oh, my bad. Okay. Oh, so is it the Caterpillar Man? Caterpillar Man? He's a caterpillar. I need to save him. He needs to be a beautiful butterfly. I think. The fuck? I gained consciousness. No, that was actually a man. Oh shit, I gotta save the man. Wait, what am I doing here? No, I'm not a 7-year-old kid anymore. My birthday was today. Oh no, I know what's going on. Oh dear God. Are these supposed to be slides? Oh. Void to nothingness. Can I? Oh yeah, I can. My heart beating as fuck right now. Oh, you son of a! Wait! Oh, let me save you! Oh no! He went through me. Oh shit. Poor guy. At least I'm not him. This looks like a. This looks like a type of Aztec temple things where they sacrifice people. Is this what the? Oh shit! Just open the door. Okay, but oh no, I can't go further. Okay, fine then. It's so good. What the fuck is? What the fuck is this? What the fuck is this? Wait, it got darker all the time. Oh. I thought all this time I thought it was my heart beating, but it was actually this. E to remove. Yeah, I gained consciousness. I'm not a kid anymore. I know eating Oreos with shit in my pants don't work. It's disgusting as hell. All right. Yeah. Basta la vista, baby. Cry about it. What I do here now? Interact. Yeah, even though I know what to do, I don't know what that works for. I hope this opens the door. No! What am I to do? What? Oh, it's gonna kill me? Oh no, now you open. Okay, thanks. Crawl meter. Crawl meter. What is happening to me? Okay, no, let's go down to the slide. Oh, this bitch is following me. Oh my god, no. Please don't do this to me. Please don't do this to me. Nah, you Ah. Ah, what the fuck does the cloud meter work for? Crawl meter? Yeah. I'm not crawling good. I'm not crawling. Shit, I'm not crawling. Alright, I'm doing good. Yeah, let's go. Let's keep going, let's keep going. Come on. Ah, this shit high as fuck. These are not even slides anymore. Ah, you saw. Oh my god. Oh, please let it be the end. No, I don't want to die. Ah, ah. Man, I'm crawling. Oh shit, why did that happen? No, if this was a real life situation, I would fucking be dead by now. Oh, finally. I got saved? Suck my dick. 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 This is a long ass. Oh, please don't tell me it doesn't answer. Oh, what a beautiful door. Huh? Where the fuck is the slide? Oh. Slide in the Woods by Johnny's Games. Yeah! It took me out. That was fun, wasn't it? I think we can still play another game. So let's go to it. Yeah. Alright. 3 minutes with your dog. Now, let's play something nice, right? I want to have fun time with my dog. And it's just 3 minutes, so yeah. To be honest, I don't even have a dog, so yeah. Okay. Well, let's just go at it. 3 minutes with my dog. Why not? Okay. Alright. Interact with the frisbee by pressing E. Okay. Oh my god, go get it, doggy. Ugh, what a nice dog you are. Yeah, nice doggy. Yeah. Oh, such a nice doggy. Alright, let's go. Another one. Here you go. Oh, that was a good throw from my part. That was a good throw from my part. Alright. The blue area. Okay. Yay! Oh shit, I didn't see the blue area. Okay, my bad. Okay. Fuck! Okay, yeah! Let's keep playing. Bitch! Oh shit, okay. Okay. Shut up. Fuck, I missed. It won't make it! Can I move? Closer? Shut up. We won't hit to the blue area. Okay, doggy. Don't worry, doggy. I know what you want, doggy. Why would I hit the... Look, even the music finished, I can still hit it in the blue area. Alright, hold up. How? Just how? That was fucking close. God damn it. Alright. There it is! Yeah, yay! What a fun game! Ah, another blue area. All right, doggy. Hiya! Yay! All right, let's hit it in this blue area. Okay. That's a good throw. Nice catch, doggy. All right. Oh shit. Okay, okay. I don't know what to say, but hold up. Fuck! Wait, what? Uh, Where did you came from? The fuck? You're a stray dog or some shit? It won't hit the bitch. Hey, 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 hey! You let my real doggy come over here. I don't know who the fuck you are. You look, why you look like him? You look like the Skinwalker. The fuck? I didn't meant to fucking throw it like that. You're not letting my. Hmm. This doggy kind of looks weird. Uh, hmm. Ah, shit. You won't let my other dog fucking get the. Oh, come on. Why is this hard? Okay, give me that shit. There it is. Hey, you're still not letting my other dog play. What a rude. Okay. Oh, now what? No, go fucking kill yourself. Uh, shit. Shit. My bad. Yeah, give me that. Bro. There it is. Oh, nice doggy. That. Yeah, I knew you can get it. Oh, the fuck? What happened to the other dog? Hey, dog. Are you sure you still want to play? Yeah, instead of being 3 minutes with a dog, it's gonna be like 10 fucking hours to me to throw this shit. Ugh. There it is. I'm learning now. What? What is that? Oh, behind? How do I look behind? Oh, cute to turn it out. Okay. Oh wow, the motion of this is awesome. All right. There it is. Throw and catch. Okay, yeah, that's the point, right? Fucking dog. I mean, yay, doggy. That's a good point, right?
Look at this devious
Oh,
ASF.
oh, oh,
El que quiera pedir,
oh. Hey, dog, you see that? Wasn't that the dog that was playing with you right now? Okay, weirdo, weirdo ass furries and shit, you know? Damn it! I mean, it is in the middle of the night and it's raining too, so they can use their fucking chance to do that shit, right? Am I right, doggy? Am I right? Am I? Okay, he left. Oh, no, he's still there. Okay, he left now. Fuck! But you and me, doggy, are having the best moment of our life playing this game, right? This catch the fucking. Oh! I got scared by dog food. The fuck? Yeah. Are you walking? Or you just dancing there? Hey, you want dog food? Oh shit! That scarecrow just moved. He wasn't there before. He wasn't like that before. Oh, you getting closer! Wait! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh shit! My bad. Oh, he left. Okay. 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 Um. I'm not. No, 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 no. The fuck? What is wrong with these furries these days? Hey, this thing is going faster. Is it me or is it going faster? I don't know. Oh shit, my bad, doggy. Ah, fuck. I missed. My bad, doggy. Sorry, doggy. Didn't mean to. Yeah. This ain't gonna be 3 minutes anymore. Oh my god, doggy. I'm sorry, sorry. There it is. Oh, oh shit. I did not see that. I shouldn't. You see, doggy? I'm getting good at this fucking. Oh, fuck you. Fuck what I'm gonna say. Hey, is it me or the scarecrow coming closer? Closer. Closer. Bigger. Fuck does that? Yo, give me that shit. There it is. Thanks. That's good, that's good. Um. Ah, shit! There it. Oh. Hey, dog, you know where you're taking me, or do I know where I'm taking you? Because most likely you're paying attention to me and not me to you. Why am I doing this? If you were paying attention to me, why am I playing with you? You know what? Go fuck that. Get that shit. Ah! Ah, fucking ass jump scare. Oh my god, the furries are still at it though. Oh shit. Oh wow, that is a that's a fucking cute dog. Oh wow. Yeah, that was 3 minutes with my dog. Thank God I don't have one. uh, yeah. All right, that's good. Thanks so much for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe and all that shit. You know, gotta do all that. Games, link in the description if you want to play it, and you can even check out the website for more horror games like these. It's cool, it's fun, and I'm gonna play them too. So yeah, alright, see ya, bye. Is that dog smiling? I don't know.